Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and if you want to unlink your Steam account on the EA account or EA Sports account, then this video is for you. So first thing you have to do is open your browser. Now simply search for EA account. Here it is. Now search for it and you can find this here, EA homepage, where you have to log into your page. So you have to sign into your account. So I'm going to sign into my account here. So it has just signed in. Now you can find your profile like in the top right corner here. Now you have to simply click on it and go to the account settings. Now when you are account settings, make sure that you have just select your account and sign in here, or I can go with the Google account here. So I'm going to sign in with my Google account here. Now when you are on account settings here, so it might ask for the verification code, so you have to verify you have to verify yourself through this verification code that will send to your email address. Now from here you can find this connected accounts at the left side, this navigation section. You find this connected accounts option here. Now from here you're going to find your connected all the accounts. So here you can see I have just connected my Steam account all with my EA account here. Now if you want to unlink it, you can find this unlink button here. Simply click on unlink and it will send the code to your Gmail account. So you have to simply click on send code and it will send the code immediately to your Gmail. So you can go to your Gmail or the inbox here. Now you have to wait until you got the code here. So I have got the code here, so you have to simply copy that code. So I'm going to copy this code here and you have to paste it here. Simply click on submit and simply click on this I understand and I wish to continue, and simply click on unlink button here and it will unlink your Steam account on the EA Sports account. So that's how you can just do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching till next time.